From WNEP, the news station, this is News Watch 16 at 11.
The judge presiding over the Sandusky trial made several rulings regarding the trial today. Tonight, we spoke with an expert about what those rulings mean and how they are expected to shape the trial. News Watch 16's Sarah Bynowski joins us from the Penn State Worthington campus in Lackawanna County. Sarah.
Well, Trish, again, this is the trial many people are talking about. Jury selection is expected tomorrow in the case against Jerry Sandusky, the former longtime assistant football coach at Penn State. Now, we spoke with a legal expert tonight who weighed in on what it could sound like and feel like inside that Center County courtroom.
His testimony before the grand jury.
Peter Olszewski is an attorney, a former district attorney and county judge. He calls the upcoming Sandusky child sex abuse trial one of the biggest and most sensational in the state in recent memory. A trial where 12 jurors and 4 alternate jurors have to be chosen from a pool of people living in and around Happy Valley. Olszewski says he expects prosecutors and defense attorneys will have national jury consultants by their sides this week.
The issue for the judge and for the lawyers and the jurors is not whether the jurors heard about this case or read about it or saw it on TV. They all have. The issue for the jurors will be, can they effectively set aside whatever they saw, heard, or read about the case and consider the case fairly and impartially based exclusively on what they hear in that courtroom.
Judge John Cleland has just ruled that the alleged victims who accuse Sandusky of abusing them must testify using their real names, not pseudonyms as some of them had requested. Olszewski says that decision will have a major effect on this trial.
Will it now prevent or keep victims from testifying? Will it change their minds? Now knowing that their real name is going to be used, not only in Center County, Pennsylvania, but throughout the United States of America, victims may back out of this prosecution. Number 2, it may have a chilling effect on what they say and how they say it.
Judge Cleland also ruled the media cannot tweet, email, or send other electronic messages from court, a move Olszewski says could lead to reporters going in and out of the courtroom.
Reporters are getting up and leaving and walking out of the courtroom to send a feed, to make a report, to make a tweet, to respond to their station, and to a certain extent that may be disruptive, and the judge will have to deal with that in some way.
Sandusky has maintained his innocence in this case, but Olszewski also says it's possible that Sandusky and his defense team could decide to hammer out a plea deal at any point during this trial. Olszewski says he's seen it before.
Before trial, defendants can be very cavalier. They could be very confident. But once you're in that courtroom and the jury panel begins to be selected, they start filling the seats one by one. And now you're looking at those 12 people, knowing that your fate, knowing that the rest of your life, your liberty, is at stake in the hands of those people. He may decide to enter into a plea negotiation.
And once more, jury selection is expected to start tomorrow in Center County. It is expected as well to take all week. Sarah Bynowski, News Watch 16, reporting live tonight in Lackawanna County.
Sarah, thank you.